The field is the outer portion of your drill's motor. It works with the armature to create an electromagnetic field, which causes the armature to spin. Most problems with the field are caused by overloading the tool. When the tool is overloaded, the field windings can be burnt. Common symptoms of a bad field are loss of power and excessive sparks from the armature. There often will also be smoke coming from the motor or a burning smell. A bad field can quickly cause the armature to also fail, so you'll want to inspect it closely as well. Replacing the field is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the motor brushes from the drill. Next, I'll remove the motor cover. And now I can remove the armature. And now I'll remove the black insulator ring. Now I'll remove one side of the switch handle. Now I can pull the switch away from the handle and remove the two filled wires. That'll be the black wire that leads into the tool and the yellow wire. And I'll pull these wires free from the other wires. Now remove the two screws that secure the field inside the drill and remove it. And I'll remove the field from the paper insulating tube. Now I can install the new field. I'll place the paper insulator back over it. And now this assembly can go back into the drill. As I insert the field, I'll want to thread the wires back into the handle. With the field in place, I can secure it with the screws. Now I'll reconnect the two field wires to the switch, the black wire to the outer connector, and the yellow wire to the connector in the middle of the switch. Now I'll realign the switch with the handle and make sure all the wires are tucked away so they don't get pinched during reassembly. With the wires tucked out of the way, I can reinstall the handle. Now I can reinstall the armature. I'll make sure the insulator ring is in place on top of the field, and then I can reinstall the armature. I'll align the gears, and then seat the lower bearing. Now I'll reinstall the motor cover. I'll place the wavy washer on top of the bearing, and then carefully place the motor cover over the washer and the bearing. And I'll secure the cover with the screws. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the motor brushes. And now you know how to install a new field in your whole hog. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.